हेलो। ठीक है। हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट क्लास में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था कंसेप्ट ऑफ लास्ट टू डिजिट्स। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे फैक्टर्स कि किसी भी कंपोजिट नंबर के कितने फैक्टर्स होते हैं और उन फैक्टर्स को कैसे निकालते हैं, और सारा सारा इसका रीज़न हम लोग आज डराइव करेंगे। ठीक है। और ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है नंबर सिस्टम का। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर टॉपिक। टॉपिक नेम इज फैक्टर्स। इफ आई से यू आर हैविंग अ नंबर 24, हाउ मेनी फैक्टर्स ऑफ 24 आर देयर? Yes, you are saying that 1 is a factor. We can write 24 as 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. So by observing, you have seen that there are 8 factors of 24. So what happens if the number is 360, for example? The factors of 360 can be written as 1 into 360, 2 into 180, 3 into 120, 4 into 90, 5 into 72, 6 into 60, 8 into 45, 9 into 40, 10 into 36, 12 into 30, 15 into 24, 18 into 20. So here you are observing that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 and 12, 24 factors are there. But it may be a possibility that some of you might miss one of the factors. Likewise, if the number is much bigger than 360, like it will be 10,080, another number 18,764, any number. But it may be a possibility that you may leave one or two factors. Okay, so how will we you sure that all the factors are correct and these are the total number of possible factors? Or is there any other criteria so that we can find the factors of a number? So let's observe today. Okay, you know that the prime factorization of 24, we can write 24 as 2 cube into 3. It is the prime factorization of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So what we can see that the factors of 23, 2 raised to the 3 are maximum. You can take 2 cube, 2 square, 2 square, 2 raised to 1 or 2 raised to the 0. Means you can take any of the numbers from either you can take 2 raised to 0 as one of the factor, 2 raised to the 1 because maximum power of 2 is 3. So you can take maximum of 3 factors of 2. Okay, into 3 raised to the 0, 3 raised to the 1. What I would like to say that the total factors of 24 may come from this way. Likewise, if you want to see that this is 2 raised to the 0 into 3 raised to the 0, that is 1. 2 raised to the 0 into 3 raised to the 1, another factor is 3. 2 raised to the 1 into 3 raised to the 0, factor is 2. 2 raised to the 1 into 3 raised to the 1, that is 6. 2 square into 3 raised to the 0, that is 4. 2 square into 3, that is 12. 2 cube into 3 raised to 0, that is 8. 2 cube into 3, that is 24. If you want to see that the factors here are 1 is here, another factor 3 is here, 2 is this one is the factor, 6 is this one, 4 is this one, 12 is this one, 8 is this one, and 24 is this one. That is, we can get all the factors by this criteria. So the way is, if you want to calculate the number of factors of 24, since the maximum power of 2 is 3 here, so either you can choose 2 raised to the 0 means either you cannot choose any power, and 2 raised to 0, you can choose only no factor of 2. 2 raised to the 1, only one factor of 2. Only 2 times 2 and only 3 times 2. So out of these 4, you can choose any one factor, and out of these 2, you can choose any one factor. So total number of factors here are 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. That is total factors are 4 into 2. So total number of factors are 8. As the prime factorization of 24 is 2 cube into 3 raised to the power 1. So total number of factors can be chosen in the way this is 3 plus 1, this is power is 1, this is 1 plus 1. Okay, so I am writing the criteria here. That is, if you are having any composite number, or you can write, or you can say, in case of 360, we can check the prime factorization. The prime factorization of 360 as this is, you can say as this is 180, this is 90, 45, this is 15, 5. So prime factorization of 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 raised to power 1. That is, if you want to calculate the total number of factors of 360, you can choose in this way. Out of this 2 cube, you can choose any of the factors. Either you can choose from 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 square or 2 cube. Any one of the factors from this into this is 3 raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 1, 3 square. This is 5 raised to power 0 into 5 raised to power 1. Any of the factors from this way. Okay. So total number of factors are, this is 3 plus 1. That is total 4 factors are there into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So total number of factors are, this is 4 into 3 into 2. That is, we are having 24 factors of 360. You can calculate here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 are this factor, 12 are this factor. Total factors are 24. So we are here now, we can calculate the factors of any composite number. So I am writing some working rule of any of the problem which we are discussing today. Likewise, if you are having any composite number n, and we can write this in the form of, you can say e raised to power x. E is the even prime. Likewise 2. Okay. Now p1 raised to power a, p2 raised to power b, p3 raised to power c, up to so on. Okay. E raised to power x, p1 raised to power a, p2 raised to power b, p3 raised to power c is the prime factorization of any composite number n. So which type of problem can arise in the different competitive exams? One of them is total number of factors. Okay, I am writing this by small n. So total number of factors can be given by the formula, you can say as x plus 1, a plus 1, b plus 1, c plus 1, up to so on. So why we are getting this formula? I think it is clear to you. Otherwise, I am writing here as, you can say as, n was e raised to power x. This is p1 raised to power a, p2 raised to power b, p3 raised to power c, up to so on. So we can choose any of the factor from e raised to power x. Likewise, you can choose e raised to power 0, e raised to power 1, e square. E is a even prime, okay, and p1, p2, p3 are the odd primes. Any number from this way, as p1 raised to power 0, p1 raised to power 1, p1 raised to power 2, up to so on, p1 raised to power a, any of the numbers from this. Similarly, p2 raised to power 0, p2 raised to power 1, p2 raised to power 2, p2 raised to power b, and so on. Okay. So total factors, number of ways of choosing this ways. X are this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to so on x, and this is 1. So number of ways are x plus 1 into a plus 1 into b plus 1. Next was c plus 1 and up to so on. This is the criteria why we are getting this formula, that is total number of factors of any composite number. Hope it is clear to everyone. Okay. Okay. Next type of problem is, what we are getting here is, how do you find total number of odd factors? These are the working rule, like how you should attempt the questions. Okay. So if you are having any composite number, likewise you are having 24, and you have to calculate the odd factors of 24. So how will you get the odd factors of 24 or any composite number? You can see that the prime factorization of 24 is 2 cube into 3 raised to power 1. And we know that the factors can be obtained by the formula 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 square or 2 cube, or 3 raised to power 0 into 3 raised to power 1. So to getting the odd factors, it means it should not have 2. It means it should not have 2. So 2 raised to power 0, multiplied by these number of factors. That is 1 into 1 plus 1, that is 2 factors. Okay, hope it is clear to all of you, or I will erase. So total number of odd factors. Odd factors are corresponding to 2 raised to the 0. This is 1 into this is 1 plus 1. There are 2 odd factors. Okay, you can see here the odd factors are 1 and 3 here only. Okay, in case of 24, the odd factors are 1 and 3 only. Okay, so if you want to calculate the odd factors of 360, they are corresponding to 2 raised to the 0, because in case of odd factor there should be no 2. So we can multiply 2 raised to the 0 by this number of terms, that is 1 into this is 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, that is 3 into 2, 6. So we are having 6 odd factors. Likewise 1, this is 3, this is 5, this is 9, this is 15, and this is 45. So total number of odd factors are 6. Hope it is clear to all of you. So we are getting the odd factors in this way. Total number of odd factors is represented by O. This is 1 into, you can say A plus 1, B plus 1, C plus 1, up to so on. Okay, by this way we can get the odd number of factors. Clear? Okay. Now we will see if we have to calculate the even number of factors. Third case is total number of even factors. We are representing this by E. So total number of even factors can be obtained by any of the factor of 2. If we have to calculate the total number of even factors of 24, it means at least 1, 2 must be there. So this can be multiplied by any of these 3 into these 2 numbers. That is odd number of factors are 3 into 1 plus 1. That is 3 into 2, 6 6 even factors are there. You can see here as well. 6 even factors are, these are, this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, this is 8, this is 12, and this is 24. Okay, or you can say as even factors can be obtained by total number of factors minus total number of odd factors. Okay, so likewise here number of even factors are x times of a plus 1, b plus 1, c plus 1, up to so on. Is there any of the prime factors is there? P4 is to d, any of the factors. Okay. So if we want to calculate the even factors of 360, so here the even factors of 360 can be obtained by any of these 3 factors. At least one of the 2 must be there. Even factors can be obtained as any of this 3 into this is 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. That is 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 2, 18. You can see here as we are having 18 even factors. It is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 24, 30, 36, 40. We are having total number of even factors as 18. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we are having, okay,